Condensation and mould growth are surprisingly common issues that many homeowners or tenants will face from time to time. When mould problems strike, you must act immediately. Water vapour is always present in our homes to some extent, but can't always be seen by the human eye. Regular day-to-day activities can generate lots of additional airborne moisture vapour, and two people can generate as much as 9 to 12 litres of moisture vapour in a day. Condensation forms and mould growth occurs in an environment where high levels of moisture vapour in the air meet cold surfaces, such as windows, tiles and external walls. In order to treat mould, we need to better understand it. Warm air can hold more moisture vapour than cold air. When it comes into contact with cold surfaces, the air temperature drops and moisture vapour forms as condensation. The dampness creates the ideal conditions for black mould growth, the spores of which are always present in the air, waiting for the right conditions to start growing. Dampness and mould are strongly linked to a variety of health issues, including respiratory conditions, and should be dealt with as a matter of urgency. But how do you control mould growth and condensation? Firstly is to look at ways to reduce the amount of moisture vapour in the air, which is sometimes easier said than done. Ventilation encourages air movement, which reduces the risk of moisture-laden air from condensing on cold surfaces. Ventilation measures can range from simply opening the windows to installing humidity-controlled extractor fans or even positive input ventilation systems. While it's important to control condensation, many people's priority will be to treat mould growth as a crucial part of a condensation and mould control strategy. The Dry Zone Mould Removal and Prevention Kit is a highly effective two-part system that is specifically designed to not only eliminate mould stains, but also to eradicate the mould itself and prevent its regrowth. Dry Zone Anti-Mould Emulsion Paints and Dry Zone Anti-Mould Additive incorporate a biocide which helps to prevent mould growth for up to 5 years to give long-lasting anti-mould protection. In the British climate, poorly insulated wet masonry walls are a prime contributor to problems with condensation. An application of storm-dry masonry protection cream prevents rain penetration and allows the wall to dry out. When combined with our range of slimline insulation products, a warmer external wall can be easily achieved, greatly reducing the likelihood of condensation and mould from forming. For further details or to discuss any inquiries relating to mould growth or condensation control, please get in touch.